Hi guys, welcome to CAD C8 tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a CATIA software, and this body is designed here, and this body is a globe wall body, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and this body is a use a multi-section view is drawing here. Okay, and this is a isometric view is also drawing. This body is correct. Okay, this is looking perfect, and this is a round. Okay, this is a round is drawing this body, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and all is looking perfect. Okay, this body is nice here, and all part is one by one is drawing here. Okay guys, let's start here. This body is design here. Okay, at first click a mechanical design and click a part. Okay, and this plane is select here a YZ plane, and select a positional sketch is drawing here and click OK. This is a perfect. Okay, at first select a arc. This is a select a arc is select here, and this is a okay. At first draw a any okay arc is drawing here at first. Okay, and mention any dimension. This dimension and this distance between is a this is a 130 is correct, and okay, this is a this radius is a 260 is correct. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, this is a looking perfect, and all is correct. Okay, okay, and this is a drawing a offset command is used here, and click this and this. Okay, all is looking perfect, and select this is a 6, this is a 17 millimeter is correct. Okay, and also change here 18 millimeter is better, and this is a delete here. Okay, and select this is a okay, this is a perfect, and again select this concentricity is apply here, and this is a concentricity is this is a okay. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, some profile is drawing here. At first select a profile, and this is a click anywhere this okay, this is a perfect, and this is a vertical line is also drawing here, and this is a horizontal line, and also this is a vertical, and this is a horizontal is better, and click anywhere this is a correct. This is a vertical is okay, this is a vertical is correct, and click OK, and again select profile, and then click this is a correct, and this is a horizontal line is click here, and this is a correct, and this line is drawing here, and again select this is a this okay, and all is looking perfect. Okay, this is a correct, and some trim command is used here, then this line and select this, and again select this trim this line to this. Okay, all is looking perfect. Click OK. Okay, this is a correct, and mirror command is used here, and then all select all, press a control button, then use all is one by one each select here, and press a control button, and then use a this is a okay, this is a mirror command is mirror, and this plane is select here, and this is a correct, and again select a trim. Okay, this line, and this is a correct, and again select this line to this is correct. Okay, all is looking perfect. Okay, and some mention dimension is click here, and at first select this distance is a 5 millimeter is correct, and also this is a this distance is a 25 millimeter is correct, 26 millimeter is better. Okay, okay, this is a correct. Okay, and again select this distance between two this this is a 142 millimeter is correct. Okay, this is a perfect, and again select this to this distance between this is a 98 millimeter is correct, and again select this distance to this distance between 60 millimeter is correct. Okay, all is looking perfect, and again select 68 millimeter is better, and select this is a okay, and again select a 68 millimeter is correct, and select this is a perfect. Okay, all is perfect, and again select distance between this to this distance is a 368 is correct. Okay, all is looking perfect. Okay, all is looking better. Okay, all is correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay guys, and at first select this corner is a this to this this is a 11 millimeter is correct, and also this select this line to this corner is a this is a okay 11 is correct. Okay, all is looking perfect, but drawing drawing this is a 3-point arc is select here, and this okay drawing okay this is a correct, and drawing any circle is drawing here, and this is a correct, this point to this is a this point to this. Okay, not mention here, and this 3-point arc is better, and select this point to this and okay this is a correct. Okay, this is a okay this first and second, and this is a third. Okay, all is perfect, and mention any dimension is a this 3 millimeter is correct. Okay, all is drawing here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and this point is a mirror is used here, and this is a correct. Okay, and select this mirror is used here, and delete some this portion is delete here, and again select this portion is a delete here, but some this point and this line is a distance between 142 is correct. Okay, all is perfect, and select this point is a correct. Okay, and this point is a okay, and again select this distance, and this is a correct. Okay, but and again select this distance is a this 42 is better. Okay, not mention here. This is a okay. Undo is okay. Okay, this is a perfect. Not mention any. All is looking perfect and correct. This is a better. Okay, and this is exit. And okay, one mistake here. Axis point is drawing, and some edit is a this is a correct. And drawing axis is a perfect because this is a use a shaft command is use here, and shaft command is use this axis is a compulsory. Okay, this is a looking perfect and all dimension is correct. Okay, this is all is looking perfect and all is correct. And then exit and use a shaft command is used here, and this preview is showing here. This is a correct and this is a okay. Okay, all is looking perfect. And this plane is hide because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and material is apply here. At first click this shading with edge. Okay, and then use a material is apply here, and this metal and steel is correct. And a steel, right click a properties, select here, and this reflectivity is very high, and click this golden color is this meeting room is color is better, and all is looking perfect. And this is correct. Okay, all is looking perfect. Okay guys, this body is drawing here and all is looking perfect. And this is a inside and outside is a correct. Okay, this is a looking perfect. And okay, and guys, all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, next project is coming soon. And okay guys, thank you.